Vitamin A. Vitamin A is the eyesight vitamin. It helps you see in the dark. Without it, your eyes are like, sorry, we only work during business hours. It also keeps your skin healthy and helps your immune system fight germs. Low vitamin A, bad vision, dry skin, more sickness. Basically, vitamin A keeps you from turning into a dusty vampire. You'll find it in carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs. B1. Thiamine. Vitamin B1 turns carbs into fuel. Without it, you eat food and your body's like, cool, no idea what to do with this. Low B1 equals tired, weak, confused. Found in whole grains and pork. B2. Riboflavin. Vitamin B2 helps release energy from food and keeps your skin and eyes healthy. Low B2 can cause cracked lips. So if your mouth looks like it lost a fight with winter, maybe eat some dairy. B3. Niacin. Vitamin B3 helps digestion, circulation, and nerves. Basically, it helps things move. Severe deficiency is rare, but when it happens, things go very wrong. Vitamin B3 is found in meat, fish, and peanuts, so if you're eating enough protein, you're probably getting some. B5. Pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 helps make hormones and deal with stress. So if you're stressed and your body isn't coping, yeah, this one might be missing. It can be found in lots of foods because even nature was like, let's not make this one hard. B6. Pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 helps your brain make chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. These control mood, sleep, and focus. Low B6 can make you feel cranky, tired, emotionally dramatic. It can be found in bananas, potatoes, fish. Basically, it is comfort in vitamin form. B7. Biotin. Vitamin B7 is the hair, skin, and nails vitamin. It's why every beauty supplement screams biotin in all caps. It also helps process fats and carbs. Biotin can be found in eggs, nuts, seeds, and no, it won't magically turn you into a shampoo commercial, but it helps. B9. Folate. Vitamin B9 helps your body make DNA and create new cells. It's especially important during pregnancy because it supports healthy growth. Low folate can cause fatigue and anemia, so your body really feels it. You'll find it in leafy greens and beans. Yes, vegetables again. I'm disappointed too. B12. Cobalamin. Vitamin B12 keeps your nerves working and helps make red blood cells. Low B12 makes you tired, confused, and gives you the sensation that your hands are plugged into bad Wi-Fi. B12 only comes from animal foods. No meat, no dairy, no eggs? Congratulations, you just unlocked mandatory supplementation. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is your immune system's hype man. It doesn't do the fighting, it just shows up yelling, "You got this!" It helps your body fight infections, heal cuts, and protect your cells from damage. Low vitamin C causes scurvy, which sounds made up, but absolutely destroyed pirate careers. Symptoms include bleeding gums, weakness, and a deep sense of regret. You'll find vitamin C in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. And no, it won't magically cure a cold, but it definitely helps your body fight back. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is kind of weird. It's called a vitamin, but it acts more like a hormone. Overachiever. It helps your body absorb calcium, keeps your bones strong, and supports your mood. Your body actually makes vitamin D when sunlight hits your skin, which explains why everyone is slightly miserable in winter. Low vitamin D can mean weak bones, low immunity, and just bad vibes. You get it from sunlight, fatty fish, and egg yolks. And yes, going outside absolutely counts as healthcare. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. That means it protects your cells from damage, stress, and general life chaos. It supports healthy skin and a strong immune system. But more is not always better. Too much vitamin E from supplements can actually cause problems. So don't go full superhero and start popping pills like candy. You'll find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Vitamin K. Vitamin K helps your blood clot, which is extremely important unless your life goal is bleeding forever. It also helps keep your bones strong. Low vitamin K means cuts bleed way too long, and that gets scary fast. You'll find vitamin K in leafy green vegetables. Yes, again, leafy greens are absolutely dominating this video.